Wow! Centrally located in Forest Ridge Village, this 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2-car garage home has an open floor plan with lots of natural light throughout. The home features a great room with high ceilings, open kitchen with breakfast bar and dining room with bay window and pocket sliding door that opens up to the screened lanai where you can enjoy the Florida lifestyle. The spacious master bedroom comes complete with ensuite, walk-in closet, and sliding doors. This well-designed layout has 2 more generously proportioned bedrooms, along with a dual accessible bathroom and plenty of storage. The screened lanai features an in-ground 7x14 concrete pool. Condition unknown. This beautiful neighborhood has well-maintained homes, a clubhouse and community pool. New water heater, HVAC was upgraded in 2011. Roof replaced in 2014. Maintenance fee takes care of the roof and exterior of building, grounds maintenance including shrubs, irrigation, maintenance of irrigation system, and Spectrum basic cable. Less than a mile to shopping. Publix, Walgreens, CVS, new emergency care facility, and rails to trails.